The highest paying games on Cash Giraffe are not fixed because the app regularly changes its available offers, and the rewards you see depend on your country, device, and the promotions active on your account. By the end of this video, you'll know which types of games usually offer the best rewards, how to identify the strongest offers, and how to avoid spending time on low-value games. Here's the short answer. Don't look for one specific game. Look for the best offer that's available on your account today. Games with higher reward potential are often those that ask you to reach multiple progress milestones, instead of simply opening the app once. These offers usually keep rewarding you as you continue playing, making them more valuable than games with a single completion task. Strategy games are commonly among the stronger offers because they involve longer progression. Base-building games also appear frequently and may reward you as you unlock new levels or complete objectives. Idle games can be worthwhile if they continue tracking your progress over several sessions. Puzzle and merge games are also common, especially when they're part of new promotional campaigns. The ranking changes whenever Cash Giraffe adds or removes games, so today's highest paying title may disappear next week. That's why experienced users don't rely on online lists that quickly become outdated. Instead, open the app and sort through the available offers. Compare the reward requirements before installing anything. If one game has several progress milestones while another only rewards the initial download, the first option is often the better use of your time. Another thing to watch is whether a game matches your interests. A game with a larger reward isn't necessarily the best choice if you lose interest after a few minutes. Finishing multiple milestones in a game you actually enjoy is usually more productive than quitting a higher-paying game halfway through. Before you install a game, read the offer details carefully. Make sure you understand which actions trigger rewards, whether progress must be completed within a certain period if one is listed, and whether the game is eligible for your account before you start playing. The key points are simple. Cash Giraffe's highest-paying games change regularly. Strategy and progression-based games often provide stronger earning opportunities, and the best offer is the one currently available on your account that you can realistically complete. Your next step is to open Cash Giraffe. Compare the active game offers instead of searching for outdated rankings, and choose the game with the best combination of rewards and gameplay you'll stick with. If you found this ranking guide useful, like the video and subscribe for more reward app tips, comparisons, and updates.